Good morning students, welcome to maths class. I hope all of you must have understood multiplication. Now today we'll start new topic, that is division. Division. Now what is division? Right? I'll show you with an help of an activity. All of you play games with your friends. Today my friends also came. Right? 3 of my friends came and I have some marbles. I have these 12 marbles. Right? I have these 12 marbles and I have to distribute these marbles to my 3 friends. Right? So how will you? I'll distribute them. One is Ritu, one is Rachna and one is myself. Right? 3 of my friends. One is Rachna, Ritu and myself. So I have to distribute these to them also. Right? So first I'll go give one to each of them. One to Ritu, one to Rachna and one for myself. Another one to Rachna, Ritu and myself. Another one to Rachna, Ritu and myself. Another one to Rachna, Ritu and myself. Right? I have 12 marbles and I have distributed equally among my friends, Rachna, Ritu and myself. So how many each got? We each got how many? We got 12 marbles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each got how many marbles? Rachna got 4, Ritu also got 4 and myself also got 4. Right? So total marbles I had, how many marbles I had? 12 marbles. And how many friends we were? 3. And how many each got? 4. I had total 12 marbles and we were 3 friends. So I have distributed among our 3 friends. So each got 4 marks. Suppose now one more friend of my Kirti comes. Right? So I have to distribute among her also. So I have to distribute to Kirti also. So again I have to share 1 to Rachna, 1 to Ritu, 1 to myself and 1 to Kirti. All got 1. Now second one to Rachna, second one to Ritu, second one to myself and second one to Kirti. Again 1 more to Rachna, 1 more to Ritu, myself and Kirti. Now we are 4. How many friends are we? The total marbles were 12 and 1 more friend have added. So we are 4 friends now. So how many each got? Each got how many? Rachna got 3. Ritu also got 3 marbles. I also got 3 marbles. And Kirti also got 3 marbles. Right? So I have distributed equally to all. So this is called the division fact. What is this called? Division fact. And this is the sign of division. These are called division facts. Equal sharing or equal distribution is known as division. So this is called division sign and these are division facts. Now how many marbles I had? I had 12 marbles. Right? I had 12 marbles. So this is called dividend. Dividend. And how many friends we were? 3. So 3 is what? Divisor. Because 12 is divided by 3. So this is called divisor. And what we get? How many each got? 4. So 4 is what? Quotient. Right? The number which we divide, we are dividing 12, so this is called dividend. By which we are dividing is called divisor, and the answer of division is known as quotient. Now how we write in a division form? Just see. I had 12 marbles and I distributed among 3 friends, means 12 divided by 3, right? So this is the number which we have to divide. So this is the division which we write. 12 will come inside and 3 will be written outside, because 12 is dividend, the number which we divide, and 3 is called the divisor. This is called the divisor. Now we have to divide 12 by 3. We got the answer 12, because in 3 table 12 comes how many times? 4 times, because 3 is bigger and 1 is smaller. We cannot divide it. So we write 0 here. 3 zeros are 0 only. Minus it, we get 1. Now copy down 2. Right? Now in 3 table 12 comes how many times? 4 times. You also got the answer 4 only. So 3 4s are 12. Minus 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is called quotient. The answer of division is known as quotient, and what is left? What is left after division is called remainder. So when we distribute 12 marbles among 3 friends, the quotient is 4, means the answer is 4 and the remainder is 0. And when we divide 12 into 4 friends, 12 marbles into 4 friends, I divided 12 marbles into 4 friends. So 12 will come inside and 4 will come outside. This is dividend and this is divisor. So how many digits outside? 1. Inside also 1 digit we have to say. 4 is bigger than 1, so we cannot divide. So we'll write 0. 4 zeros are 0. Minus 1. Copy down 2. Now in 4 table 12 comes how many times? 3 times. 4 3s are 12. Minus 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we also get, when I distributed 12 marbles among my 4 friends, each got how many marbles? 3 marbles. So this is the 3 is the quotient, the answer of division. This is called the divisor. This is called the dividend, the number which we divide, and what is left after division is called the remainder. Right? So equal sharing, equal distributing, or repeatedly subtraction is known as division. I hope all of you must be clear with the division. Thank you and have a nice day.